Hello everyone, this is AH Khan from Ami Darby and welcome to my channel. From today we are going to start our German language course A1 level, and today is our first lecture. So let me tell you a little about it, that what we are going to learn in our first lecture. So in our first lecture we are going to learn alphabets plus numbers. Okay, here are these numbers and these alphabets. Let's start with these alphabets. First, so let me tell you a little about this alphabet. In German, total we have 30 alphabets. These 26 are just like English one, but here we have these 4 extra. Let's start with A. B, B, B. C, say. D, day. E, A. F, F. G, gay. H, ha. I, a. J, yacht. So as you can see that J's pronunciation is completely different from the others, and it's yacht. It sounds like yacht. Okay, after that we have K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Fo. As you can see that this pronunciation is also completely different from the other. It sounds like F, Fo. W, way. X, Y, epsilon. Here Y is epsilon, but if we use this letter in a word, it will just sound like English ones. It won't sound like epsilon. It sounds like just English ones. Okay, and we have Z, set. Now let me tell you that trick. We have this Z and S. This S and Z are the opposite of each other. Here this is Z, but this T is silent, and its pronunciation is just like it's different. But if we use this in a word, so the pronunciation will be completely different, and Z will sound like S and S will sound like Z. Okay, after that we have A, O, U, which have these 2 dots, and these 2 dots are called umlauts. And then we have this S, which is called sharp S. It's just written like B, but it have a little tail over here. Okay, so now let's see their pronunciation. Here A, O, U, S, double S. It's a double S. Okay, in German we don't use double S, instead we use this sharp S. Okay, so now let's come to the numbers, and in numbers you will also use these all letters in this number, and we're going to see the pronunciation. Okay, so now let's come. Here we have numbers. First we have 0, 0, then 1, 1, 2, zwei. Here, as I said earlier, that Z will sound like S and S will sound like Z. So here it's Z, but its pronunciation is just like S, zwei. Then we have 3, 3, 4, 4. Here it's V, but it sounds like F, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. Here we have S, but it sounds like Z, 6. Then 7, 7. Then 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Okay, so now we have 11, 11, 12, 12. Okay, so now let me tell you a trick about these numbers. So here we have 3 and here we have 10. Okay, so if we talk about 13, 14, 15 and go as further, so it will be 3 plus 10, 3 plus 10, so it will be 13. 3 plus 10, 3 plus 10, so it will be 13, means 13. And we have 14, 14. 14. 15. 15. 15. Then 16, 17, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then we have 20. Okay, so 20, and after that, if we talk about 21, 22, so it will be just like here is the example that it will be opposite. First we are going to say the second word, and after we are going to say the first word. Like here it's 14, but first fear and after that sin, fear, sin. So if we talk about 22, 23, so it will be ein und 20. Und means and, so ein und 20 means 21. 22 means 22. 23, 24, 25, and as well as the others. Okay, then let's come to here the 30, 40. So after 20 we are going to just add this ZIG to this 30. So here 30 and 6. We are just going to add ZIG and then it will be 30. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. It will be 100. Okay, so now let's talk about 500. So it will be 500. 500, 500. Here 5 and plus 100, 500. Okay, now let's talk about that 563. So let's see that how we're going to say this number. So first we are going to say 500. 500. Here 563. So here will be 500, 3, first 3, 3 und 60. 500, 500, 3, 3 und 60. 563. 60 means 60. 3 means 3. So 563. And after that, let's go to 1000. So 1000 is 9000. 9000 means 1000. 9 plus 1000. It's just simple. And if you talk about that 2025, so if 0 comes in middle of the number, then we are not going to pronounce it. So let's see that how we are going to pronounce this number. So here 2025, 225, 200, 225. Okay, 225. After that we have 8,751. 8,751. So 8,000. 8,000. So 8 here is 8,000. 8,000, 8,000, 700, 700. 8,000, 8,700, 8,700, and here 51. 8,751. 8,751. As you can see that I also pronounce all the alphabets in these numbers, and these are all our today's lecture. So that's for today, and see you in the second lecture.